Hello! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 4 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the wristband or the straps on this watch. If you want to change the wristbands or the straps on your watch, first you will need to remove the old ones. So you need to pick up your watch, flip it around, and right here on the straps you will see this latch. As you can see, you have the one right here and one right here. And basically, to remove these straps, you will need to grab this latch with your fingernail or something like a pin, push it to the inside of the strap, like that, and then remove the strap slowly, and it will pop off, like this. We can do it for the other one. Basically, grab the latch, unlatch it, and remove the strap. It is a bit of a struggle, but it should come out. And now the watch is strapless, as you can see. We have the straps right here. And once you have the new ones, you can put them on quite simply by taking a strap, putting it on like this. You take the this end of the strap without the latch, the one that is further away from the latch, put it in right here, then take the latch, move the pin inside of the strap and lock it in. Oh, I didn't lock it. Let's try again. Basically, it needs to click into the hole, and once it clicks in like this, it will hold the strap. Let's do the second one. So put it in like this, take the latch, hide the pin, come on, like this, grab the latch, hide the pin, oh my bad, try again, like this, hide the pin, move the strap in and lock it, like this. And once you're done, the straps should be holding. And that's how you change the straps or wristband on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.